Welcome to Lesson 2, page 10. In this lesson, we will practice the short sound with the vowel symbols. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and Y. Y is both a vowel and a consonant. Consonants are all of the remaining letters of the alphabet that are not shown on the page number 6 as vowels. You will hear the name of each vowel, followed by the short associated sound. Please repeat only the sound. Amy will say the sound of each decoder key. Repeat the sound of all following word parts. Let's begin.
Decoder key number 1. A, add, at, ack, an. Decoder key number 2. E, ed, et, ek, n. Decoder key number 3. I, id, it, ick, in. Decoder key number 4. Ah, odd, ought, ock, on. Decoder key number 5. Ud, ut, uck, un. Decoder key number 6. Y is both a consonant and a vowel. Y, I, E, A.
Page 11. The two-letter vowel syllables you are practicing will appear in many of the words that appear in your daily reading, so pay close attention and learn them well. Let's continue.
Decoder key number 1. A, as, ap, am, ag. Decoder key number 2. E, s, ep, em, egg. Decoder key 3. I, is, ip, im, ig. Decoder key 4. Ah, os, op, og. Decoder key 5. Us, up, ug. And decoder key 6. Y is a vowel and a consonant. Yes, my, any, hey.
Page 12. Please repeat the name of each living creature. Amy will begin.
Box number 1. Alligator. 2. Owl. 3. Camel. 4. Turtle. 5. Wolf. 6. Tiger.
You may stop now. Rewind the cassette for more practice if you need it, or turn to page 13 for progress check number 2. Welcome to progress check 2, page 13, short vowel word parts. This progress check is designed for you to evaluate your decoding skill of associating the practice sounds to word and word parts. This progress check is made up of boxes numbered from 1 to 18. You will hear each number followed by a sound. Match the sound with one of the two word parts of each box. Make your selection by drawing a circle around the correct word part. Listen carefully for the box number and the sound which follows. There will be a brief moment to make your selection. Amy will begin now.
Box number 1. Un. 2. At. 3. It. 4. Is. 5. Ed. 6. Am. 7. Ek. 8. Op. 9. It. 10. Us. 11. Ut. 12. Id. 13. App. 14. In. 15. Egg. 16. N. 17. An. 18. Ock.
You may stop now. Compare your answers to the answer booklet. Find the page number in your progress check booklet that matches the page you just finished. The darkened boxes are the correct answers. Repeat the correct answers.